Tips to lessen your caffeine intake. There's no doubt that coffee is one of the most popular drinks on the planet. In fact, it's estimated that more than 2 billion people around the world drink coffee every day. However, like anything in life, too much caffeine can have negative consequences. Here are a few tips to help you cut down on your caffeine intake without sacrificing quality or taste. Decaf. Switching to decaf coffee or tea can be a great way to reduce your caffeine intake. Not only will this lower your overall daily intake, but it will also vary depending on your taste preferences. Some people still prefer the flavor and kick of regular coffee. Limits. Limit yourself to no more than 4 cups per day. This is equivalent to about 2 cups of regular coffee. When you're trying to limit your caffeine intake, it's important to be mindful of all the different types of coffee out there. Alternatives. If you're looking for an alternative way to get your caffeine fix, try drinking hot herbal beverages such as chamomile or lemon balm tea instead of regular coffee. These drinks are low in calories and provide relief from anxiety and stress while providing a refreshing flavor profile all their own. Finally, it's important to remember that reducing caffeine consumption doesn't mean completely giving up on life. In fact, try substituting snacks and sweets with healthier alternatives like fruit or nuts whenever possible. Caffeine is a widely used stimulant found in many foods and drinks. Although it can provide short-term boosts of energy, too much caffeine can cause health issues such as headaches, insomnia, and increased heart rate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to watch more videos.